Or we gotta go check. We gotta go through the trades. We gotta see what the week was all about. There was a big week, huh? That was like FOMC, PCE, all the things. Market went up, market went down. Holy cow! Holy cow! And it is the last week of trading. It is an abbreviated week. And yeah, we'll see what we need to do though. Well, maybe, I mean, we could do it next week. The themes for 2025 and ideas to trade around and things to think about. We do have one more weekend for that, so we'll get up on that. I'll make a list this week. I gotta get my year stuff done, so, and I need to make some goals in that regard. But yeah, let's look at the week that was. Let's go. We got a timeline to keep. Sundays are busy. Okay. Oh wait, let me here. I haven't opened. Okay, we open it now and then we'll get to the charts. Okay. Alright, so the week that was, let's see, so we were down on the week, mainly from FOMC. Russell took the hardest hit, and then next is the NDX. The Dow's been down for days and days and days and days and days. SPX, so the 5 performed the best. But still looking at like the 10-day, well, Russell's still down. They're all still down on the 10-day. Month to date, the Russell in the SPY and the Dow are down. 3-month, Russell's just staying alive. 6-month, everything's up. 1 year, everything's still up. So, you know, rally into the end of the year. I think my bias is long. If I can get a long trade, I'm going to take it. I'm still long biased just because of this long-term uptrend. Like, we're down to these levels now. Basically, we took out the Trump bar on some of these indexes. I don't know that we did on the NDX or the SPY. I'd have to check. But we took out the Trump bar, I think, from the Russell and the Dow. We've erased that election bump. And back to square one. So let's go to the 5-day. Just leave it there again. Everything is kind of underwater for the week. But still, I'm thinking somewhat positive. Wait, did he get married this weekend? No, next Saturday. Oh, they're getting married on New Year's. Okay. Next Saturday. Oh, shit. Bezos gonna get married. In a winter wonderland theme wedding in Aspen. Huh. Oh, goodness. Well, those will be some fantastic pictures. Those will be some fantastic pictures. Bill Gates, Leonardo DiCaprio, Queen of Victoria. Alright, well that was a distraction story. We need to get back onto our story. So let's look at how we did this week. Overall we actually were up on the week. First time in a very long time. Yeah. Turn this into $100 a day. Barite win-loss ratio is pretty good. Yeah, we need to do this every day, every week. Start the losing trades, go into the winning trades. They're all pretty much the same trade. I'm focusing mainly on the trend line. So these are trend line breaks. Probably say long trend line break. And they're all on the 1 hour. I can put that on there too. So this is trend line long. And then it was on the 1 hour. This didn't have as great a day as everything else. On Friday, like it kind of looked like it was gonna do something, and then it didn't go anywhere. It didn't go anywhere at all. It broke the line. I took the trade and I was like, oh man, it just went down really quickly. That just went away real quick like. Starts here. Let's go to iBet. On the 1 hour. So I traded it like somewhere in here. I moved all the lines last night, so I got all my lines ready for the week. But I got so much to do. I gotta do like notes and a lot to do. Now it kind of looks like you go short on this one, but I took it somewhere in here. So let's go to the other trade. So that's all these trades are for the most part. Trend line breaks. So this was the 16th. Let's see. The 16th. So this was also a trend line break. Went long. I go long. Got long as soon as it like broke. The 10. Oh, I just got wicked out. Well, there was no reason to get out of this trade. Would have made a little bit. I don't think you would have made a lot. Like, yeah, you're not making it. I gotta fix it. That tag isn't good. Oh, and it was on, I don't know, was this on the, I was switching time frames. I wasn't great about, I was switching between like the half hour and the this and the that. Like, I was switching all over the place, so I gotta stop doing that. Like, for the time frame for the day, it's like, you kind of have to pick one and stick to it. You can't mess around. Alright. Let's take a look at the journals. So the 16th. I'm supposed to be on the 1 hour, but I don't think I stayed on the 1 hour. Crude on the 17th. Crude short on the 17th. Same thing. Fine. On the 1 hour. And I might just focus on the indices this week. I don't know about individual names. Maybe TQQQ or IBIT. We'll see how those goes. IBIT's definitely something for the new year. This was the Dow on the 15th. And I also need to make sure I screenshot. That's supposed to be a part of my goals, like screenshotting everything. And was this the one oh man, on fucking Fed Day I got out of it just as it was fucking tanking. God damn. That made me so mad. Right though, I made a little bit of money that day. I didn't make a lot though. They're all the same trade. Yeah, this has been under some heavy pressure. I kind of felt like maybe if it got above, it would start to get some momentum, but it's always sold. I had a terrible week. Look at this. Look at the one I made. It was, it was long. That was the wrong thing to do, so it was good to get out of it. Yeah. I should have looked at the Dow and stuff on smaller time frames. Like when I was on Fed Day, because like could have got something. It just never, like on my longer time frames, it never came back. Just never came back for a trade. Like looking at the 1 minute here, like there were some bounces I should have taken advantage of, but you don't see them always on the longer time frames. This was an MYM short on the 19th. Yeah, not enough momentum on that day after Fed Day. Not enough. Not the best to trade too after these big moves. Like you either trade the big move or you don't. It's short, okay. This was on the 18th. So this is a fed day. I go. How much? How is that right? That can't be right. It was a put. Hmm. The 90 put. This calculated this wrong. I would have bought this, but I didn't sell this.
How did it go wrong?
I don't know what it's. That's weird. I didn't sell a put.
Intelligence to blame?
No. What day was this? The
Damn.
8th.
I want a short AI real bad.
Oh, good luck with that.
You'll see one day. You'll see.
Yeah, I bought 2 puts. I didn't sell. It's not recording this right. Yeah, it's not doing it right.
There she did. Time to get a refund then.
I don't know what it's doing.
I'm putting back, god damn it.
This one's weird.
Bad data.
I'm just gonna put FOM. I'm just gonna put FOMC on this.
That's you say.
No, that's not what this is. Jesus Christ. You're the worst to have in the background. The worst. It's not really a face reveal because I'm still wearing my hoodie. We're gonna maybe change it up, chat. We're gonna change it up. We might do something different in the new year. You might see more videos from me. Sure, you're loving that, chat. All 0 people watching. I bit short on the 18th. Oh, I just bought this back, that's why. Okay. That's the one I bought back. It's the one I had on. I did that because I saw it was kind of going, oh, yikes, how much did I miss? Oh my god. I just need to let the trade play out. The 18th. MES. Go to 50. So you couldn't see anything, and I didn't really want, like, even here, like, there was no uptick. It got in, but I didn't. Ugh. It's so bad. It's so bad. Like, what did this look like? So the 18th at around 1. Market was dropping. Like, trade. Market. So it was 11. Where's 11 on? Didn't the trade go? No, and it's important too, like with this new technique, to take the picture of the chart when you get into the trade. You know, like that's important. Yeah, I didn't wait enough bars. Also, entering at the bottom of bars is no fun. That's where I entered. Like, we gotta not enter at the bottom of bars, at the top of bars. We gotta watch that, because that affects the psychology for me when these moves are made. You know, so... Is it on the move? It's airborne? Do I have to take a break? Not yet? Okay. 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 Oh wait, turn the stove off. Oh man, what if I stayed in all of these trades? So that was $1,000, missed out on that. This was another 500, missed out on that. What? About outside the box? Oh, okay.
By the washer.
What is this tube? Is it done? What the hell would this have been for? That's weird. I don't think there's anything. No, there's no. No, everything can be dried. There's a lot in there, though. There's a lot of clothes in there. Don't miss out on trades, chat. Take your trades. Take them well. Oh. Oh my god, it could have been like $4,000 on Fed Day. Oh, just keep writing them down. And FOMO for real. This was the 17th. And I was going short. Okay. Alright, this was the 17th. Load it up. Okay. I mean, trendline break below VWAP. I mean, it's a valid trade, but the market was going nowhere. Crude on the 17th. Take a look. Oh yeah, I need to do that. The new journal setup too. I have another way I want to kind of do my journal for next year, so I got to get that set up. The 16th. This was a good trade. Missing out though. Put on some real money here. Leaving money on the table. One hour. But I did come out of the week positive, so I can't be too negative, but like, man, it could have been a lot fucking better. A lot better. Alright, let me get these late. Okay, that's probably enough time to at least get through the trades. And these are all the same trade. I need to take pictures though so that you guys could see, you know, where I took the trade and why I took the trade. I think that would make it better. So this was gold on the 16th. We need to let things sit and brew. I'm not wrong. Obviously, I'm not wrong. But I gotta let things brew. I gotta let them brew up. Russell short on the 19th. One hour. EQQQ. I just shorted it? What did I do here? Oh, this was my vertical. This is my vertical. Nice. Nice. That trade, that's like because the market's going up. That trade, I had practiced it in my paper trading account. Did the mechanics. I kind of came up with it like, I mean, I don't think it's original, but it's selling 2 puts and buying a put. So it reduces the capital. Well, actually it doesn't. It kind of reduces the capital requirement, but you get more credit. So that's kind of the idea with that. So this was a long on Friday. Where could I have made more money? Not telling me right now. Doesn't even have it in here. I could have held on to this one a little bit longer. I know that. Trend line long. 1 hour. Alright, so overview for the week. Green most days. That's great. We're up. That's awesome. Losers weren't as big as winners, so that's awesome. We did the best on MES, but We need to let the trades run. We need to let them go. I wish this was just kind of like put everything together, like at the same contract. And TQQQ. So my focus this week is going to be TQQQ, IBIT, and the futures. I think those are my focus, just to keep practicing. Because the market's probably not going to be super duper exciting, but you never know. I'll be there. We'll try to catch what we can. So moving on to the charts, I've marked them all up. Let's put them back onto the... Yeah, we can go to the day time frame. Just take a look. I mean, I want to be bullish here. This did not break this trend line. So we'll see if we get a break of this line, and then that's going to be the cue to go. We're still probably going to be on the hour time frame. It does look like it kind of wants to fall. I mean, I'm willing to take it whatever direction it wants to go. I trust this somewhat less, although this did do like 50% retracement of this move, so we'll see what happens when futures open. I kind of want to go long into the end of the year. We'll see what next year brings. So with this, probably going long somewhere around here if it makes it back up here. It's a bit of a steep line though, and there isn't that much data on it, so it's only like a day of data. For this particular line, it's a little steep. So we'll see what happens there. The Dow has been really weak. So we'll see how it breaks. I mean, it'd be nice if it broke up and above this, then you know, but maybe it's going down. So probably shorts on the Dow, shorts on the Russell, long MES is tough. It'd be long NQ, long TQQ, TQQQ. The VIX did come in a little bit, but it's still at 18, so you can expect probably 1 to 2% moves per day. 1.5, 1 to 1.5% moves. That's big. Those are big moves. Here's gold. So it's pushing up. Not sure what to think about gold though. Like, it gave a lot of it back. Still a bullish chart though. I think, ultimately the momentum is higher. So trying to maybe get a move long in gold would be cool. Bitcoin's down. Let's look at Bitcoin on the 1 hour. Is it moving right now? So it's gonna open in a few minutes. Okay, Bitcoin is taking a break. I guess they take breaks. I don't really know about Bitcoin's breaks. If anybody knows about Bitcoin's breaks, let me know. Are we at conclusion now? Only a 40-minute stream? Should I stream when I get back? Crude is on its butt, but it's like coiling down on this low. This is the long time low. So it's kind of coiling up down here to do something. I'm not sure whether I take this long or short. It's such a downtrend. Kind of partial to the downside on this, so any up movement, like, I don't really want to buy it, but we'll see what the geopolitical news is. Man, if this thing breaks down, I don't know where it's going, but it's at a particularly, like, at a level that's been like historic support for a very long time. You can see going back quite a long ways. There's some support at these levels. Does it explode higher? Does it stay here? I don't know. Maybe like in the new year, like iron condors on crude. I kind of like that idea. Since it just kind of stays in a range, like you have to just adjust your ranges probably every month or whatever, but I kind of like that idea. TQQQ, again, very bullish chart. I'm thinking bullish. That pullback might be an opportunity just to go long into the week, but we'll see. It is in a bit of a free fall right now, so it has to make it above this line. We'll see what it does when the futures open. And then IBIT, This is what I tried on Friday. Not forming the best pattern. Big gap right here. So we're going to have to see where it decides to go on Monday. Again, I'm kind of bullish on it. Bullish on IBIT, bullish on TQQQ, the NQs. Kind of want to see it go that way. If it doesn't, that's fine. But Friday was really bullish. Breadth was a little bit better than other days. So we'll kind of see what happens. I mean, overall, it was a really good week. My focus for this week will be on the indices and IBIT. I might do a scan later and see if there's anything kind of moving around other than like Tesla. But we'll keep it simple. I think we'll keep it simple. We'll focus on the indices. We'll focus on the strategy that we're trying to play. And we'll write everything out too. I want to write all my strategies out and put those out there. Because the other things I use are like the 9, the 15, the VWAP. Those are other indicators that I use to help me trade. Especially TQQQ. It seems to respond really well to the VWAP. Are we ready to go? Alright, we gotta go, chat. I might... should I pause the stream or end the stream? I don't know what I should do. I guess if I want to come back, I'll come back. So, for right now, have a safe, profitable trading week. This is for educational and informational purposes only. If you like what you see, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button and follow us at Wilsfer so you always know when we go live. Have a safe trading week, and I will put out my short a little bit later today. Maybe I'll be back on.